Huawei continues to redefine the tech landscape with its groundbreaking HarmonyOS Next, and it's no surprise that they're expanding the air gesture file transfer feature to more devices. This futuristic technology is changing the way we share files, making it as simple as a wave of a hand. Imagine just grabbing a file out of thin air and dropping it on another device without the need for apps or cables. It feels like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's here now, bringing a whole new level of convenience and interactivity. This isn't just about making file transfers easier, it's about transforming how we interact with our devices. By expanding this feature from flagship models like the Mate 70 and Mate 60 to a wider range of Huawei devices, the brand is ensuring that more users get to experience this futuristic way of sharing content. It's not just about convenience, it's about redefining user experience and setting new standards in mobile technology. HarmonyOS Next isn't just another update, it's a revolutionary leap that's reshaping the mobile ecosystem. While other operating systems are playing it safe with incremental upgrades, Huawei is making bold moves that are setting new industry standards. When they were cut off from Google services, many expected them to fade into irrelevance, but Huawei turned that setback into an opportunity. They built HarmonyOS from the ground up, and now with HarmonyOS Next, they're not just catching up, they're leading the charge. This version doesn't rely on Android anymore. It runs on Huawei's proprietary Harmony kernel, powered by the Pangu AI model, and the results are nothing short of spectacular. We're talking about a system that's 30% more fluent and 20% more power efficient than Android. It's not just faster, it's smarter, more intuitive, and more secure. Huawei is setting the bar high, showing the world that they're not just another competitor, they're a tech pioneer. But what makes HarmonyOS Next truly stand out is its seamless ecosystem. This isn't just about smartphones. Huawei is building a unified digital world where your phone, watch, TV, car, and even kitchen appliances communicate effortlessly. Imagine your phone unlocking your car as you approach, or your fridge suggesting dinner ideas based on what's inside. This is the future Huawei is building, a future where technology adapts to you, making life simpler and more connected. This ecosystem is powered by the Pangu AI model, which learns your habits and preferences, delivering a truly personalized experience. It's this level of integration and intelligence that sets HarmonyOS Next apart from anything we've seen before. Huawei isn't just making devices smarter, they're making life smarter, and this is just the beginning of what they have in store. One of the most exciting aspects of HarmonyOS Next is the Easy Abroad emulator. For years, the lack of Google services has been a deal-breaker for users outside China, but Huawei has come up with a solution. Easy Abroad lets you access popular Android apps like YouTube and Google Maps seamlessly, without compromising on functionality. This feature is a game changer, bridging the gap between HarmonyOS and the Android ecosystem, making it a viable choice for global users. It's not perfect yet. There are still some notification issues, but Huawei is constantly refining it. This shows their commitment to delivering a seamless user experience and making HarmonyOS Next a truly global operating system. It's moves like this that prove Huawei is not just competing, they're innovating, pushing boundaries, and challenging the status quo. Air gesture file transfer is another game-changing feature that showcases Huawei's vision for the future. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a new way of interacting with technology. Imagine performing a grabbing motion in the air to capture a photo, document, or video, then releasing it onto another device. It feels magical, yet it's incredibly practical. No more fiddling with Bluetooth or third-party apps, just a simple gesture and the file is transferred. This feature is rolling out to more devices, including the Nova 12 Ultra and Mate X6, bringing this futuristic experience to a wider audience. It's this kind of innovation that sets Huawei apart, showing that they're not just following trends, they're creating them. They're reimagining what mobile technology can do, and it's making other manufacturers look outdated by comparison. HarmonyOS Next isn't just about flashy features, it's about delivering a superior user experience. From faster animations to enhanced customization options, Huawei is focused on making every interaction smooth and intuitive. The new control center is a perfect example of this, offering quick access to essential functions with a swipe. And the built-in sound recognition tool identifies tracks without needing third-party apps is another thoughtful addition that enhances daily usability. Huawei understands that it's the small details that make a big difference, and HarmonyOS Next is full of these intelligent enhancements. This isn't just an operating system, it's a reimagining of how we use technology, making every interaction faster, more efficient, and more enjoyable. As Huawei accelerates the public beta rollout, anticipation is at an all-time high. Users worldwide are eager to get their hands on HarmonyOS Next, and with good reason. The beta versions have already received rave reviews for their fluidity and efficiency, showing just how polished and powerful this operating system is. Huawei is expanding the beta to more devices, including the Nova 13 series and MatePad Pro 12.2, allowing more users to experience this next-generation software. The excitement doesn't stop there. Rumors suggest that Huawei's upcoming foldable, the Pocket 3, will launch with HarmonyOS Next pre-installed, giving users a glimpse into the future right out of the box. It's clear that Huawei is all in on this operating system, and they're confident that it will redefine the mobile experience. HarmonyOS Next isn't just about today, it's about the future. Huawei is building a foundation that's ready for the next decade of technology. They're not just competing with Android, they're redefining what an operating system can be. From AI-driven interactions to a unified digital ecosystem, HarmonyOS Next is setting new standards and challenging the status quo. This is more than just an update, it's a vision for the future, and Huawei is leading the way. The question now is whether users will embrace this bold new direction. Will HarmonyOS Next be the game changer that propels Huawei back to the top, or will it struggle to gain traction in a world dominated by Google? One thing is certain, Huawei isn't backing down, and they're ready to fight for their place in a tech world.